Okay, we're going to get going here for the Liberty class. Shirley and Elvis. Elvis has a minute and a half to run free around the arena. He will be judged at how many gates he goes through, the normal horse gates. We want to see him float, trot, gallop, spin, roll back. This is not his regular music. He usually does this to Jailhouse Rock. But he's going to have a lot of fun today. We're going to enjoy watching him. Here's Half Measures Heart of Elvis. He's using the whole arena. This is always a lot of fun to watch in an inside arena with the lights on. They'll play with the spotlights. Little bit of kick up in the air there for Elvis. All right, coming around. Let's see if he settles down here a little bit. There we go. Horse and Handler having a lot of fun here at the Glenn County Fair in Orland, California. Jump up and down. Move it all around. Shake your hands to the snap. Up, music stopped. Uh-oh, Shirley has a whole minute, no, 2 minutes to catch him. Let's see if the little bugger can get caught. Sometimes a beautiful run ends up with a no score because the horse just doesn't want to cooperate on the catch. Remember, he's been having fun running free. He's saying, why do I want to be caught now? This is too much fun. Shirley patting her hip there. Usually she has a treat in her pocket. He's kind of used to that. Well, she's got him caught well within the time frame. These two have a lot of fun traveling around the West. It's something we enjoy doing. And those of you that are interested in the miniature horse industry, you can always give us a call at 530-798-0245. Or just go online. Look at the AmericanMiniatureHorse.com or the AMR.com. AMHR.com. Hey, thanks a lot, Shirley and Elvis.